registration link of this website is provided to you in the description below. Please use my link to register on this site. As you can see that they have been giving total visits, and you can also see their members online. These are the 3 steps of how it works. You can also check out their payouts by clicking on payout. As you can see, some of these payouts are in waiting process and most of them are being processed. These are the ones which are being processed. Click on join to register on this website. After you click on join, fill in these details. And then click on login when you have registered your account. After you have logged in into your account, you will be shown an interface like this. Click on any of these tasks to earn points. These points can also be used to advertise your own YouTube views, and you can also get subscribers, Facebook page followers, etc. from this website. As you can see, these are the 3 payment methods in which they give you money. And minimum payout of this website is $1.5. As you can see, when I click on YouTube plays, they give me a video which I have to watch for 35 seconds, and then it gives me the desired amount of points. To earn points, click on play. After that, wait a couple seconds on this interface and then go back to the website. As you can see, the timer is being running and I will get my points after the timer gets to 0. As you can see that I have earned my points and they have been credited to my wallet. You can also collect your daily bonus by clicking on daily bonus, but you have to complete these tasks to earn your daily bonus. They have a daily bonus and a hourly bonus. You can also click on add new site to advertise your YouTube video or any site you want, and you can also edit that. These are the jobs you can do to earn points and rather advertise it or pay out. So this was all for today. Please like and subscribe my channel and see you in the next video.